All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with your host, Dre Day FX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex indices and metal markets. Hope everyone had a great morning here. We're Wednesday, November 5th. So let's get it here. So we're going to start with news calendar. We're still in that government shutdown, so no data will release here since the CFTC and the SEC is not open. But we're just going to look at what happened here this morning here in regards to euro. So we had some factory order month to month for German, France, and Spanish. So a lot of French and German news. I think that it affected the market. I think the market went up here with German and France. So we're going to look at it here. I think we had a buy also. At 10 o'clock, there should be a news event, but I don't think it's going to be out because the non-farm employment change did came out. Oh, okay. Let me check. So 42K, 32K last month, minus 29K. So so that's good for the economy. So that's perfect on that. So it should be bullish here. And you got ISIN service PMI at 10. So so that's good on that. And at 1 o'clock, we have the President Trump speaking. That's going to be interesting to see. And at 4, we have the BOC Gov Market governor that will be speaking here for Canada. So still government shutdown. All right. So that's good on that. And now we're going to be looking at the TV Alert app. So this is the application that I created here that will provide you with institutional liquidity in the market here. And it's coming from my trading view towards this application. So at top, you're gonna have the Bloomberg and the Fox business data here. So if there's any news here, you're gonna receive Bloomberg information or Fox also Fox business article if you want to get some more information here about the economy, U.S. economy or the economy in general. Look at Bloomberg and Fox as the ticker. Same thing, we have the ticker here for the signals here for today. So we have 4 signals here, all buys. So gold, German 40, French 40, and UK 100 were all buy signals. And at the bottom here, at the middle, you have most of the details here of the symbol, the price, the time that the signal came in, and the actual symbol ticker. All right. And at the bottom, you have the TV economic calendar to provide you with the latest calendar here for today. So for the 5th here, so like I said, we have some news here that may be coming out, but I don't think there will be nothing here because of the government shutdown. So most of the data will be delayed here. All right. So that's pretty much the TV Alert app. And next, we're going to be looking at the trading view indicators here. So we're going to be focusing on US30 for now. No, we're going to go on German. All right. So the first indicator here is called the Nova. All right. Just going to remove the drawings here. So Nova is the actual trend indicator here, provide you with the trend in the market. So if it's bearish and bullish, and as you can see right now, we are in a bullish trend. and we've been bullish here since Asian session, and at for when we got that buy here at London, started to go down and started to go up after that. Next, you have fair value gap, FVG edge. So provide you with the fair value gaps here in the market. All right. So those are 1 hour fair value gaps here, and you see exactly where the price tagged the fair value gap. So we had a bearish fair value gap right here. It went up here, it started to tank. Now we have bullish fair value gaps here. So we may have a price going lower to start to going up and raid those bearish fair value gaps here at the top. So that's good. Then you have high-low level. So this is the support and resistance indicator to provide it with support and resistance here on different time frame. So you have the higher time frame that is a 30-minute one, and the current time frame that will be the smaller lines here that you're seeing. Those are the current time frame that is the 50-minute. So I'll provide you with some good information here of what the price may be doing and tapping off of. All right. Next, you have MTA. Still working on that MTA version 5. I'm going to only focus on version 4. So the version 4 here provide you with an open, high, low close of the previous day, previous week, or previous month. Depends exactly on how you're trading. If you're trading intraday, better to use the previous day to see exactly what was the close of yesterday's close and yesterday's open. So so that was the low and that was the high, and that's the median price for the day. And you could see exactly where you want to trade off of. Then you have POC and VWAP, so point of control evaluated average price. So that will provide you with the previous day's volume weighted average price and the previous day point of control. So if those lines here are above or below the price action, if it is above, it will be a selling trend. If it's below the price, it will be a bullish trend. So currently we are at the point of control here, right at the point of control here for German, but we're going bullish here overall. So we may start to go higher than the point of control in VWAP. So that's good. And finally, we have Nova with EMXAI. So EMXAI is one of my first indicator here that I created, and basically the way that I was trading originally when I started trading. So basically, I was waiting for an actual setup here on the. I'm just gonna wait to load. Yeah, perfect. So I was waiting for an actual setup here on the average directional index. So when I see that pattern, I'm able to tell me that, okay, it's going to start to go bullish or bearish. And by adding Nova, that is a trend indicator, if it's following that trend, it will provide you with a buy or a sell signal here. So as you can see, the latest signal here that we had was a buy. It went to TP1 and started to reverse. So so you were in profit here. And now we're waiting for another setup here. So that's pretty much the gist of it here on that. So we're going to be focusing on Nova and POC and VWAP on our live. And we're going to be waiting for our signals here that will be provided by TV Alert app. So we're going to hear that in the back and get on with our trading day. Hey, Leon, I hope you have a great day. Hey, and hi to everyone. So make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's going to be helping me a lot in pushing out the content. So I'm going to go on US30. So on our live, we're going to be looking at US30, NASDAQ, S&P 500, Russell 2000, and gold and German 40. So that will be the setups here that I'm going to be looking for. So currently we're in a bearish trend on Nova. But we'll see exactly where we're doing higher lows. So if you were here yesterday, we took that buy here and it went to that 50% retracement that I put in and started to reverse that. So that was basically my profit right here. And I was waiting for seeing the price overall going higher and higher. So if we go on the 15, the 4 hour, I'm gonna go load the 4 hour here and see exactly what price is doing. So currently price is doing higher lows right now. So that's low, that's a higher low. So now we're trying to see exactly if the price wants to break that previous high here to create the new higher high. So we may start to have a push to the upside. But yeah, still have 3 minutes before market open. And let's look at the 1 hour. One hour are doing higher lows. And as you can see, that low is lower than this one. And this one is lower than this one. So this high, we're still, basically we're doing a wedge here. So we'll see exactly if the price wants to go higher than this and higher than this. But we may continue to the downside here off of the 1 hour. So it seems to be pushing here to the downside if we're looking at the H1. So if we go on the 15, yeah, 15 is breaking to the downside. So we have the point of control right here. That is right here, where there's the low here. So to be bullish here, it needs to raid that cloud here. So market will open here in less than a few seconds here. Make sure that is open. All right, so 9:30. So 9:30, we are still overall bullish here on the trend. So we're waiting for it to pass that low so we could have an actual confirmation that the price is going lower. If not, we should be going bullish here. So we're still in that bullish trend right now. DXY news today. US30 bullish on 5-minute chart. Yeah. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to have the price going higher here. What did T-short? Perfect. Yes, there's Dixie news, but like I said, we still in the government shutdown, so we may that news event may not go. So we should be pushing here higher. The only thing that we had here was at 8:15. We had the non-farm data from last month that came out today, and that was positive. So all right, so we're going up here. So I'm just waiting for that cloud to pass, to the price to go above that sell trend, so we could have officially an actual trend change. So if there is a trend change, my next target here is the previous day's point of control right here. So if we get a buy, signal here, we are going at least to that region here. So Russell 2000, we have a buyer on Russell 2000. So Russell 2000 is a buy. So we're just gonna go on Russell. So Russell is just gonna wait. So Russell was still bullish here since Asian session. So we're just past point of control and the VWAP. It's near the previous day VWAP. But my focus is going on US30. So right now we did that wick right here is still above, is still giving us higher lows. So if I go back from that low here, we are still bullish right now. All right. All right, we are still bullish. Like I said, to have the bearish to be confirmed, we need to go to rate that previous higher low here. If it doesn't go past that, we're still in the upside. I'm not didn't take a position yet. I'm waiting for that confirmation here with the TV Alert app. So this is basically the region that I'm looking for to get to confirm a sell. But if we're going above this trend line here, that cloud should be going higher here. So we're gonna wait it out. So far we only had Russell for a buy, and like I said, Russell and US30 most of the time are trading the same way. So if we have a Russell buy, we're not gonna be that far to get a buy on US30. But right now it's playing with everyone. S&P 500 is a buy. So US 500 is a buy. NASDAQ is a buy. All right, so US30 seems to be going down right now. So yeah, so I have a sell on US30. So we're going to be looking at going towards those lows here if it wants to reach towards those lows. All right, so Still have that sell here. So we are in a sell. Yeah, it seems to be looking to go down here. So let me close that. Do not even fucking use our colors. All right. So US30 is pushing to the downside right now. Fucking shit. All right, so let's look at how that candle was created. So basically, I'm just going to remove the Nova trend so we can clearly look at price action right here. Perfect. So here we had a push to the upside, and as you can see, price went above this high here, and it went to raid this high also, and also this one. So I'm just going to put a line so y'all can see. Horizontal line. There you go. Just put a line on the top of that wick. All right. So as you can see, price went to raid those highs and started to tank. So that means that price is starting to continue to the downside here. It rated this low that I was looking for. All right, so I'm gonna close my trade. Lost a little bit. Just also not trade data. All right, so we'll wait. So that cell is invalidated here. Ça, c'est le truc de qui, ça? Ah, c'est le compte de Stéphane. Mais quoi, j'ai pas quoi répondre? Juste faut qu'il m'en flow, là. Hold on, guys. All right, so now it's actually going up now. So it was a fake out. So let's go back. So it went reach that low, but it didn't. Basically, it didn't pass that low. Now price is going higher. So let's we'll reopen the Nova and see. So that means that price is actually going higher here. So that was what I was expecting here because of that lows that were here. Price went to reach those lows and started to go higher. It's $80. So that means that we're going to get the signal here for a buy. So the level that I have here was US30 is close or sell. All right. So my original analysis was correct. Now it's going higher than those highs. So it's higher than this one. Is it higher than this one? Let me put a line. Not quite. So point of control is right here. We're above. So if we look at the point of control and the current point of control in VWAP, it's going to remove the drawings here. Remove drawings. We just passed point of control in VWAP. So everything is looking bullish right now. The trend was bullish here. Point of control, that was the target here. The previous day point of control was right here, and previous day VWAP. We only have the sell that came in on US30, but we may get a buy when everything is aligned. So we still have 6 minutes before top of the hour. Yeah, so like I said, the latest signals here that we had was US30 buy, Russell buy, Nasdaq buy, and S&P 500 buy. Originally, we had the US30 sell, and the first signal was buy on Russell. That was the first one, and then the S&P 500 just switched for buy. And if you were at the beginning of the call, I said that I was looking for bullishness here on US30, and it just rated the previous lows, higher low. It didn't break that higher low and started to go higher. So if we go on the 1 hour chart, you could see that we did went to that low and started to create some almost new highs here. So we're still bullish here on US30. So it should be creating higher lows and higher highs. All right. So I'm not gonna take too much time here today because I have a meeting here in about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna prepare myself. So thank you so much for being on this live here, guys. Hope that you were able to understand a few things here in regards to trading, and we're gonna see exactly how the market here will react here off of the analysis that we had. Like I said, still waiting for the price here to go higher here. So my next point of interest would be 47.354 for US30. So that will be the next point of 47 354. But that will be still bullish here, and we just got the new 4 hour candle. I think that just started. So if we got that 4 hour candle, $9. No, this is 9 o'clock candles here. So that candle is bullish. So we're still in an uptrend right now. All right, so we're gonna close it out the session here, guys. So tomorrow will be we'll do another session here. So all of the weekly sessions are already on my YouTube channel. So make sure to get your notification open in regards to the signals, and to be notified here for the next live. All right, no problem. So have a great rest of your day, guys. So keep analyzing your charts and all that stuff, and you're gonna be eventually be profitable here in the market. So it's you don't have a time frame to be profitable. You just need to work on your craft and make sure that you understand exactly what you're seeing here on the chart. And if you follow the charts, you're gonna follow the money, basically. All right. So I wish you a wonderful day, guys, and talk to you tomorrow for another session. All right, peace.